Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a Notion account on iPhone step by step. First, problem one line, want to workspace on your phone quickly without meeting up settings. Here's the clean way. First, open the App Store, search Notion and tap Get to install. Next, tap Notion app and tap sign in. Choose continue with Google, Apple, email. Default use Apple for quickest iPhone setup. If you pick email, enter your email address, create a strong password, then check your inbox and tap in verification link. Next, what you're gonna do is if you pick personal or team workspace, give it a name and accept the basic onboarding prompts templates first page. Then grant optional permissions, notification, camera if you scan documents, and enable Face ID, Touch ID for faster secure unlocking. Optional, import notes or templates from Evernote, Google Docs through settings. And privacy tip, use the sign in Apple or enable passkey two-factor authentication when available, and never reuse passwords. Keep your workspace private. And that's it. Subscribe for more short reliable app setup and guide.